Alright, so you guys already know how we're starting today off, and that is going to the UPS store because some packages showed up. And it's no big surprise like it was yesterday. I know exactly what came in, and that is all the exhaust pieces to finish up the Miata's exhaust. Then almost finishes up the Miata, which is sick. So, alright, well, I lied. I guess only half of it came in. We have the pipe itself. I think this is my clutch line for my JZ. And some more subscriber mail. I'm pumped I have subscriber mail, but oh boy, I hope the other stuff comes in. All right, looks like we got some subscriber mail to open, and then we gotta wait a few more hours. we got some mail, and it's sub mail. And I don't know if you guys like I don't know if you guys like watching me open packages, but I like doing it. So this package, real quick, is 2 pieces I've been waiting on for literally weeks, and I still have like 7 things coming from these people, and I don't want to talk about it, but. Here's the clutch line, so it's good to go, so we can finish up the clutch system. And then this is the heater hose line that actually goes from the rear heater hose on the JZ motor to the S13 heater core through the firewall. So we can finish the heater hose lines. Now we got 2 packages real quick that I think are sub mail, which is pretty freaking awesome. We've got a lot of sub mail lately, and I'm not complaining. I think we got t-shirts here. It feels like t-shirts. Oh my god! First thing I see. T-shirts, bunch of air fresheners, and fake money. So, thank you for helping me commit a felony. That's cool. Look at this.
Not bad. Hey, let's give it the light test though. Nah. That's cool though.
Midnight Mischiefs, no culture lifestyle. Kind of like that. This is kind of cool. A black envelope.
That is sweet.
This is classy. Damn, look how classy these guys are.
Nocturnal lifestyle, this is you.
Of Menace Society. That's what it is. It's Menace Society. I could tell because you're sending us fake currency, you menace. That's Canadian boys. Oh, I love this sticker. These are some quality slabs. I see you guys. So, Cody, thank you, homie. I really appreciate it. This is cool stuff. I know the whole gang's gonna be stoked on this, and Drew's gonna be stoked on the fake money. I just want to let you guys know I said Menace Society. It's Menace 2 Society.
We can read.
That makes more sense. Yeah, sorry. Dude, the amount of sub mail lately has been unreal. This is so, I gotta say these when Brian shows up. Oh, no way. I'm so excited for this. So I got sent this from, that's Dana? Right?
I would say Dana.
I would say Dana. So it's Dana Senpai, and her business is Hello Senpai, and I know she hooks up the Unlimited guys all the time, and I'm always on her page, and she makes the coolest stuff. So I'm kind of a weeb myself, so I love anime. She does all anime goodies, and they're so fire. Everyone has such nice packaging.
That's what makes the merch.
Yes, dude, RJ's gonna bug out.
Oh, man.
Dude, no way. Yes. Little Hypebeast Go 10.
That's all your stuff right there.
That's so good. Ooh. 02.
That's going on your car.
This is literally going on my car. Oh my god, we have all my Naruto. Wow, she sent me one of everything. Dude, I'm such a sucker for the 02 stuff.
Wait till he sees this.
Everyone loves Dragon Ball Z stuff. RJ's gonna be so gassed. Stuff is amazing. Dude, these stickers are so cool. RJ's gonna bug over this. I hope he stops by after work. Oh, yeah. This one's not gonna fit me, but I think Steph would love this. The 02.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Dude, this is so awesome. Dana, this is amazing. I thank you so much. If you guys are interested in any of her stuff, she makes so much cool stuff. Of course, check her out. Hello_Senpai. And the package has finally arrived. 30 minutes until the store closes. We have exhaust pieces. Well, we'll find out in like a minute. Allegedly have exhaust pieces. So now the video can actually begin.
Got it.
Let's see. Let's make sure Amazon didn't mess up. Flex pipe. 2-bolt flange. Dare I say it? 1 V-band.
Oh yeah.
Do the work. If you guys don't remember from yesterday's video, I should probably explain what's happening. So if you guys could see, the Miata's missing a complete piece of its exhaust. And that's the piece that's on back order, and that's why we are now making one. So we need to go V-band to straight, to flex, to straight, to whatever angle that is, to 2-bolt. So this could be easy or it could be a pain in the ass, and we're gonna find out pretty quick. The first annoying thing about this is the V-band on the downpipe right here is like a completely different style of V-band. So we're gonna actually have to take off. So I'm gonna have to take off the downpipe and cut off the old V-band and weld the new one on. So not big of a deal, but it's just another step.
A little bit of truth.
Does that fit? Yes, at least that fits.
Thank you.
Right, so I kind of cut a random section out that I think might work, and we have to figure out this crazy angle. Luckily, before when I was waiting for the other parts to come in, I went down to John's. We used his bandsaw to actually cut some pie cuts to hopefully give us the angle that we need to work with that funky setup. So they're pretty safe, which we could do just like that. Boom banging right there. What do you think, Garrett?
That looks good.
Right?
Yep. I'll straighten it right out.
So this is what we got tacked together so far, and it looks pretty good. So we just align this where we want it to. Fingers crossed it's where it's supposed to go. I'm just gonna tack this in place. I think we're... This is what we got working with so far, the easy part. It's nice, there's a lot of room for error in this, so we're gonna leave this nice and loose, not tacked up. We now have to take out the downpipe and unfortunately have to cut this off because I don't think this will do the trick. Get this thing out of here. Oh, tight fit. There we go. So we gotta lop this off, unfortunately. Not stoked about it, but we gotta do it.
Nice. Never enough.
All right, close your eyes. Back up in the air. Yeah, boys, it works now, bitches. Now we just gotta, do that whole thing where we get to there. Probably will need some more pie cuts. I only got one left.
Yeah, we're gonna need a few more.
Things are getting weird, but it's getting there. That is a really ugly shape. All right, so that last cut was a little funky, but we got to line up right there, and we're gonna use the flex pipe to make up for all our error. But I'm making this one piece right here. I'm basically just gonna lop it off and put the V-band right in the middle. What's up, Turkey?
Don't hold it.
I'll lop this off right here and put the V-band right here. Should be good to go. So look at this funky ass thing. It's supposed to.
That's a pipe.
Oh, I might have. Oh, I totally welded in the wrong spot. Oh my god. Damn it.
All right.
There's so many Sharpie marks on here. I totally picked the wrong Sharpie mark.
Plan B.
Idiot. Sheesh. Nice. All right, we're getting there. We got the V-band on, flex pipe still loose, and now I'm gonna cut this in place and hopefully it all fits. Hey. Sheesh. You get this up here. There you go. Got some big
Start. Let's make sure it works.
Let's do a pack of Big League Chew.
I'm gonna tack it to the V-band collar first. Sick. Alright. Nope, that was completely all on the V-band. Look at that. Gyps tack, everyone.
I wasn't looking.
Oh, sick. Oh, get it, Chip. Ooh, let's see it. Bust on him. Oh, cap off. Oh.
Eyes up here, boy.
This guy's coming
Okay. Show him the pipes.
As you can see, it's formed, fitted and formed.
So I hit a hammer here because it hits the tranny, but we're good to go. So here's the modification to the downpipe. It's a little janky, but it'll look good once I clean it up. And then this piece, I'm pretty happy on this piece. It looks pretty good. What do you think, Chip?
Looks good.
These pie cuts are just ugly because I got impatient, so I made ugly ones, but this looks good. Honestly, if you go more than like 15 degrees on pie cuts, they just look kind of distorted. And right here, this is like a 23-degree pie cut. As you can tell, it looks kind of jank, but
we're not going.
These are all 15s, and as you can tell, it's a really nice transition. But I'm gonna clean this up, get the surface all ready to weld, And then hopefully bring it down to Justin and see if you can lay some nice tick beads on all of this, because 1, it looks nice, 2, it's strong, and 3, I don't have any stainless wire in my welder, so let's go.
Yeah.
Mine doesn't even do that.
They wanted to know who this person was the other day.
Did they?
No.
Come here.
No.
Come
Nick,
here.
introduce yourself.
Because they probably know.
Come here.
This is Nick J. Izzo, also known as Jizzo.
Jizzo.
He is a community friend. He's a youngin'. He's a
youngin'.
youngin'. He's a good helper. He's a quiet kid. He's a good job. He keeps Drew in check.
Yep. Yeah. Drew's
Izzo-
B-Haul. Drew's B-Haul.
No, to be honest, Izzo does help out a lot. We ask for wrenches and things, and he gets them, and in exchange for learning.
Yeah, he's a good kid.
Pretty much.
So it's a good deal.
We'll show you some of his shit in a few days.
Yeah. If it gets together.
Izzo's actually got a car coming from Japan, so we'll leave that there. What do you think of the exhaust stuff? You like it?
About to go send it to get welded. Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Not bad. Not too
Nice and tight. Look at that, guys. This is what we want to see here.
nice and taut.
No gap. I'm sure the TIG welder is going to be extremely happy with this fit up. Impressive, Jimmy. Very impressive. And excellent with the flex pipe. This thing is going to be dialed just like OEM.
Boom. Since there's a lot of pie cuts, it's probably gonna take a little bit to weld, so I'm gonna leave it with Justin. I know it's in great hands. You know, Justin at More. You guys already know Justin at More Fab, but he said it should probably take like a half hour, which is pretty sick. So hopefully in a half hour, we'll see how the welds came out, and I know they're already gonna be beautiful, but I'm excited to see how the whole piece looks. So it's More Fab.
Hey, Jimmy!
What's up? What do you think? What do you think?
I love stainless.
Oh boy.
Ooh, that's gonna be a nice weld.
Oh yeah, everything's pressed inside. Only one that's kind of shitty is this one. There's like a gap, but everything else
right
is
here?
pretty tight.
Yeah, it's no worries.
So I tried my
Make
best.
it work.
You working magic?
Yeah, absolutely.
Always. The hoodie, Steffi.
It's nice and cozy.
All right, guys. So Justin just finished it up. It's kind of late, but I want to get this thing on tonight because I want to hear the car, the full exhaust, so bad. I know Steph does too. That's why she's here. So we're gonna go pick it up. I texted Justin. Justin said it was probably the worst seal he's ever welded. Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be amazing.
It was some nice. It was some Amazon stainless steel. So sorry, Justin. I mean, it looks really good on the V-bands.
Yeah, but look, right? That's stainless.
Yeah. What? Really? No way.
Probably a much lower grade of stainless. So
It's not supposed to be magnetic. That's crazy.
look at all the black around it.
Yeah. Wow, this was some stank metal.
It was popping and spitting and farting. I'm like, oh my god.
All right, guys, don't get Amazon stainless steel. I'll try not to do that again.
That might actually be worse than eBay stainless steel.
Oh.
Hey, it still looks good though. It's way better than a MIG welder, I'll tell you that. I'm so pumped on this. This thing looks so official. It doesn't look bad at all. So I appreciate him fighting through it and getting it done for me. So guys, of course, check it out. Justin always has my back, always gets it done for me. Justin at More Fab. Link in the description. Check out his YouTube channel because he does film a lot of cool stuff and teach you guys a lot of cool things. So let's do this on the Miata real quick and see how it sounds and then go home because I'm tired.
Boom.
So, sound good?
Yeah, sounds great.
Okay, we're getting the downpipe back on. Luckily these aren't too hard to get to. Still fits. It's good. Looks like we're all ready to go. It's about time. Officially got a full exhaust. I'm so tired, but I'm so excited to hear this thing. You ready?
Yeah.
Start
Are you
it
gonna
up.
do it?
Yeah.
You're so cute.
Don't fit me. Here we go.
You spinning wheels?
What? Oh yeah. So we got a little rattle somewhere, you can hear it. But it sounds good, it's nice and quiet. We gotta figure out where it's rattling, but besides that, it sounds... Oh, that sounds awesome. It's so nice and quiet. No, it's definitely the exhaust. I wonder if there's a bolt in it. We took all ends of the exhaust off, and I don't know why it was rattling. It sounds like it was internal, but there's nothing in it. So we just kind of repositioned everything, tightened it back up, and see if it magically fixed itself. But I gotta fix a cold start on this thing because it starts like dog shit. It's still there. What the hell is that noise?
Stop. Do you think you have to run it for a little bit to see if it like settles?
Besides that, it sounds pretty damn good. It's a lot deeper than I thought it would be. This is your first like loud standard car. You're gonna love it. Dude,
It's right there.
it's like something internal to this. Oh, that's such a pain in the ass.
Yeah, it's fine.
No leaks anywhere though. That's weird. But besides that, it sounds pretty damn good. I like how deep it sounds.
Woo! Yeesh.
Alright, well, looks like I gotta fix that resonator, but for now, I'm pretty damn happy.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay guys, so we're done. Miata sounds sick. Besides that stupid rattle, I gotta take the whole pipe off, see if there's something in that resonator. But besides that, sounds a lot deeper than I thought it would, and it actually sounds pretty damn good. I think the 1.8 is a pretty good sounding engine. So at this point, it should be ready for the dyno, which is awesome. I cannot wait to dyno that thing, and it's actually like feels like a whole car now. It is so cool when you get a car that's basically just a shell, and now you have a full running and driving car ready to go, and it's an awesome feeling because it's been a lot of work, and it's honestly a sick ass car. It's such a nice car. So just gotta say huge shout out to everyone today. We have the Menace to the Society gang that sent me some cool merch and some sick stickers. Then of course we have Dana Senpai, which hooked it up with the sick ass stickers and the awesome hoodie. And then of course my homies John Little and Justin at Morfab for hooking it up, helping me out with this exhaust piece today, because you guys really helped me get it done quick. So I'm more than happy on how everything came out, and I'm really excited to see what the Miata brings this weekend. So with that, we're gonna end it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you Monday.
I'm cold-hearted and broke, I cold-started and choke. I grow part with my soul, to vote harder to grow. I know why, hey, I know why, hey, yeah. I'm cold-hearted and broke, I cold-started and